Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Bumble application in incognito mode. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the People tab, from which you can swipe right or left on various different profiles. Now, if you wish to browse the Bumble application anonymously, then you can enable the incognito mode. In order to do this, tap on the profile option at the bottom left corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. You will then be taken into the settings page. Now, from this page, you will see the incognito mode for date option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you will now be told whether you are sure that you wish to turn on this mode. Tap on the turn on button, and if you don't already have a premium subscription, you may be asked to get one. After you have subscribed and made your payment, you will be able to turn on the incognito mode option. Once you turn this on, your profile will only be visible to those profiles on which you have swiped right. If you have swiped left, then your identity will not be revealed to this person. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use incognito mode on the Bumble dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.